Here I have Nokia 225 4G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you have to remove back cover from it, then you have to remove the battery. Here you have the slot for the SD card, and here you have the slot for SIM cards. Actually you have two of them. So you have to push this metal part like this side, and after that it opens. Here you can put your SIM card and then lock it with this metal part. Then you have to put battery back in, hold down decline call button to turn your device back on, and put back cover too, of course. And as you can see, it requires my PIN code to the SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.